welcome back. This is my son, Cooper.
And this is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So why do you need money? Why do you need money? Cooper, why is it that you need money?
I need money to, go get food for breakfast, lunch, whatever, or go get, groceries, or go hang out with my friends if we're going to go bowl, go see a movie. Why would parents need money?
Yeah, so parents need money sometimes to be able to give money to their kids, to be able to do those things. But parents also need money for all the things that you see all around you. I had told you in the other video to take a look around, and everything that you see, if you just look, the ceiling above you where you live, the refrigerator that has food inside of it, the pantry, the lights, have to pay money to have lights on and have water coming out of your faucet. So we need money to be able to pay for those things. And parents need to make enough money to not only pay for all of those things, but to help pay for things for our kids. So what's the difference, though, of what you need money for and what you don't need money for? So, Cooper, I got a question for you. Do you need money to grow your hair?
No, I do not.
You don't?
No.
But do you need money to get a haircut?
Yes, I do.
Absolutely.
I do need money for a haircut.
About every 2 weeks.
Yes.
That's right. That's right. So that's the difference. There are things that you don't need money for, growing your hair, right? It just comes. But then there are things that cost money, even related to things that are free. So I have a question for you. Why do you need money? And I got a little homework for you as well. Ask somebody either watching this with you or an adult. Ask them, why do you need money? All right. Hey, tune into the next episode. We're getting ready to visit with you further about how to get money.